What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what happens if I had to lose everything tomorrow, like my whole game studio, and I needed to start all over again with $0. So I'm going to be showing you 5 things I would do in the beginning just to generate my first $1,000 a month and start paying my rent again and all those bills. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. The first thing I'm going to do, well, in my case, because I'm not a programmer, I can't code my own games or apps. So the first thing I would need to do is find a job, and there's no way around this, guys, because you're going to need some money in order to pay to build the app and so on. So yeah, maybe I would go and drive for Uber or do deliveries or something like that. Something that doesn't eat too much of my time, that I can focus on building this app. So first thing is you need some income to be able to build the app. So yeah, start job hunting. Now, the second thing I'm going to do, because I won't have much money and we are going to grow this app organically, so we're not going to have any money for marketing, I'm going to research different niches that I see an opportunity. So when I say opportunity, I mean that there's a lot of search volume for this niche, but there's not a lot of competition. So when I build out games, I always look for niches that don't have a lot of competition, and I can rank for those high traffic keywords through ASO. So that's very important. A lot of people go out there and they'll build the app and then they'll try and do their marketing strategy around that particular app. Where I do things in reverse, I will go out and look for a niche where I know that I can rank well for those certain keywords, and I will build the app or the game around that niche. The third step I'm going to do is do my research on competitor apps. Reason why I say do it on competitor apps, the top performing ones, is because they have got their shit together and they're obviously making money. So they have done all the A/B testing, all the they've tried different monetization methods and all these things. So why wouldn't you borrow from their blueprint? Of course, I mean, that's going to save you a lot of time and money. So yeah, you want to reverse engineer the things that make their app successful, and you're going to peel back the layers in terms of the UI, in terms of their monetization, in terms of their marketing strategy. So all of these things they have kind of done for you. So you want to borrow from that and then put that into your own app. Step number 4 is I'm going to build an MVP, and that is a minimal viable product. So this is a basic version of the app without all the fluff that takes a lot of time. You know, when you want to polish up, say for example, a game, you're going to add all these cool visual effects and sound effects and music. But in the beginning, you'll actually find that even without all that fluff, if it's a good core loop, if people enjoy whatever app you're releasing, they don't really care so much about that other stuff. Obviously, those things will help, but in the beginning, when your time and your resources are limited, you want to release something kind of bare bones and get it out in the market as quickly as possible. So speed is the name of the game here. You want to release it as quickly as possible and then get that data back, see how it is performing, and then you know what kind of changes you need to do, which leads us on to step number 5, which is iterate. So once you get the data back, you're going to see how it's performing, how people are engaging with the app, if they like it, if there's a chance that you can have some sort of success with it. And then yeah, you just need to if the data you get back, the KPIs, your retention, all that good stuff, if it is very low, then you want to kind of go back to drawing board and find out what is causing those bad KPIs. So, and then also you want to iterate on your ASO. So to get around $1,000 a month, in my experience from a gaming app, you're going to need around 30 to 50 downloads per day. And granted, bear in mind that your monetization is on point. Yeah, 30 to 50 downloads a day is not that hard if you follow the best practices that I show you on this channel in terms of ASO. So yeah, it's not that difficult. So you want to reiterate your ASO, your keywords, find the right kind of gems of keywords that will get you to that 30 to 50 downloads per day mark. And then you want to iterate everything else in the app that is underperforming. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, smash the like button, show some love. I love creating these videos for you guys, and you can learn from my mistakes, and yeah, hopefully that speeds up your journey. So if you do like this kind of content, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.